Ninja juicer won't start after cleaning? Here's a full reset guide. If your Ninja cold press was working fine before you cleaned it, but now won't start, it's likely a simple reset or misalignment. Here's what to check. 1. Double check the assembly order. After cleaning, it's easy to forget a step. Make sure the auger is fully seated, the filter is aligned, and the lid is locked clockwise until it clicks. The juicer won't run if even one part is out of place. 2. Confirm the safety lock is engaged. The anti-drip lever must be fully open, and the pulp container must be securely attached. If either one is loose, the motor won't activate. 3. Try a soft reset. Unplug the machine for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This can clear any temporary lockout if the juicer detected an error during reassembly. 4. Wipe the contact points. If water got near the safety sensors during cleaning, it can interfere with the start sequence. Dry the motor base and locking notches thoroughly. We've linked a soft cloth set below that works well for this without scratching. Once it's dry, fully reassembled, and reset, your Ninja cold press should turn on as normal. If it still doesn't respond, contact Ninja support using the link in the description. And if you need a soft cloth set that's safe for appliance surfaces, we've linked the one I use below. Thanks for watching, and juice smart!